Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add Starbucks card to Apple Wallet. So recently this problem has been generated a lot of interesting people and facing this issue, so let's just fix it right now. So I've mentioned all the steps here and you can see this is a forum of Apple community and you can see this is one of the person who is facing the same issue. So you have to just go and open your app on your iPhone. Okay, tap on the scan icon on the bottom of the screen, just like how you do it with the while adding any another of the cards, right? Select the Starbucks card you want to add to the Apple Wallet, tap on manage and then choose add to Apple Wallet. Tap add in the top right corner to confirm and your Starbucks card will be added to your Apple Wallet. Now here I have mentioned this is another option that how you can add. So for this you can use store card application, so you can use this, but I will advise you not go with this one. You can just use a normal Starbucks Apple Wallet, right? So this is it guys, I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.